Maulay na kadaot, huwag may iskoray din tirahan eh. Tahali! It's a point! Yun, may fans club sa... Wow, go, Axel! The burning Eric, one, Papa! A 3-point! Kapilit na natin, nabitawan! Lumanag! Lumanag, looking to the breaking line! Balik kay Lumanag, tumira!
Heights, Pantogan, looking for Axel Mahali sa gilid. Lumanag ko na rebound and the bowling pass to the Brady, the left-handed layup by the Brady, 2 points. DB Black. Habagat, Habagat for the second serve, 2 points. Habagat. Jonix. Looking for Idol Yoyo, Tumera. Idol Yoyo this time, 2 points. It's a Jonix. Jonix dribbling the ball. Jonix looking for Lumanag. Sunod-sunod na ang puto. Tahali on a long distance shot. Lumanag. Lumanag looking for the Brady lane. The Brady lane pass to Jonix. Jonix. Pantogan pay, kick out pass on 3. Pound! Remaining time 1 minute and 19 seconds. It's a bullet pass. Idol Yoyo in the paint. Iba talaga ang Pitilano. Axel Tahale on 3. Pantogan led at 10 seconds remaining time. Habaga 2 points, 5 seconds. And that's the end of the first period. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. It's a Maya basketball. Oy! Agad na moves ng Maya basketball. Nagkapit. Oy, yun ako na. Habaga 2 points. Di kamay na. Magigam siya sa dala. President, may affirmation na yan. Mura ko dito kay Kobe. Pobre Navasero, 2 points. Arambala looking for Habaga. Habaga at baseball pass to Jenny is still with the break delay. The break delay only a basket, 2 points. The break delay. Coach Halil na naman, nauna, paso. Mga live streamer, Ox Gatang, Pubring Lamas Zero. Lamas Zero. First basket, 2 points. Ay! Jersey number 13, pinasa Boslo. Yun, pinakita mo kung sino ka. Hindi lang na-convert yung Maya basketball ng kapalo. Yun. 2 points, jersey number 11. Basketball steal. Maya basketball, papunta kay Lumayan. Papunta, Galamaso, balik. Tumera, Galamaso for 2 points. 2 minutes. Good. Nabitawan, basket by Lumayan. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Axel Tahale on 3. Foul and a basket. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Publing. Acero. 3 points. Lumayan. Papunta. Agad na pasasayo niya. Idol Yoyo Kiming. The veterans move. 2 points. By Lumayan. Lumayan. Looking for Boslo. Boslo nakalusot. Agad na move. Ipas. Ang hangin sa tawas. Boslo. Going to kapilitan. Nilabas ulit. And it out. Habaga. Puro Pogba. 2 points. Habaga. It's a 23 against 36. The break delay. 2 points. Litan. 2 and 3. Habaga. Easy 2 points. Looking for Pobre Acero. It's a 1-hand. Giavan Hogan going to basket na sa foul by jersey number 13, Jonix. 35. And a basket. Ang resulta. Lumayan to the brother. Idol Yoyo Minimintes. Lumayan for the ball of 2 points. Habagat going to Commissioner. An extra pass. 10 to shoot. Habagat 2 points. Nabitawan agawan. Papunta kay Pubring Lamas Zero. Hintay sa tira. The bullet pass to Axel Tahale. 2 points. 2 minutes. 33-42. Pubring Lamas Zero. Pinasa. Wow, ang gandang ikot. 2 points. Knockout play. Pinalik. Ang gandang resulta. 2 points. Axel Mahali. The red delay. Lost the ball. Recover. Lumayan. Play. And a left-handed drive. 2 points. Lumayan. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Abagat spin. Ball in the basket. Ako ng rebound. Abagat o Bantogan. Bantogan 2 points. Lumayan. Paso. Ang gandang pasan. John Experimenter. 2 points. 30 seconds. 25. Ang gandang crossover ni Bantogan pero Mentes. Jonix. Throwing once and three shot. Now ang gandang pwede na pass. 2 points. The red delay. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the second quarter, third quarter. The red delay. Bam! Lumayan. A good crossover with a spin. And the basket by Lumayan. Nag-umpisa na si Lumayan. Bantogan going to the completioner with young 2 points. Bantogan, 7 minutes. Bantogan line foul plus a basket. It's a foul by jersey number 0, John. 6 and 35. Basket. It's the Hali for a 2 points. Bantogan versus the red delay. Bantogan nakawala. Pinilit. Paso. Altera. It's a Hali paso. Looking for jersey number 46. Time out. Lumayan lumipad. Basket. And a 2 points by Axel Mahali. Good block. Hay, bola-bola. Idol Yoyo came in for a 2 points. Gia Bantogan, 2 points. 1. Nakawala, John Experimenter to Galimaso. 2 points, Galimaso. 45 seconds. 2 points. Last 39 seconds. 35 seconds. 2 points. Hinapas. 28 seconds. Habagat wala. 20 seconds. With a 360 moves, the break delay. 10 seconds. Commissioner, 385 degrees. With a half